Welcome to Intermediate Fingerstyle Guitar, where you'll learn effective techniques in fingerstyle guitar. My name's Kurt, and I'll be your instructor. I've been playing guitar for 13 years, have taught hundreds of successful students that have gone on to love the guitar, and played in front of thousands of people. I still play daily, and still love it. At the end of this course, you'll be able to play many complex songs smoothly at full speed. Have a toolbox of cool techniques, and most importantly, be able to learn your favorite songs. You'll be confidently able to learn any song you want and have a proven step-by-step method to follow when learning new songs. You'll come out of this course and people will be impressed with your playing. This course goes through intermediate level techniques in fingerstyle guitar. We'll focus on two main things in this course: teaching you a bunch of new complex techniques you might not have been through before, and playing more advanced songs well at full speed to really level up your playing. You'll also learn riffs from a bunch of popular songs, so you come out of the course already able to play real songs. I'll teach you a range of genres and years, so there's something for everyone, regardless of age or musical taste. You'll learn songs from Ed Sheeran, Green Day, Eric Clapton, Passenger, Red Hot Chili Peppers, and more. I designed this course for the guitarist of any age who's comfortable with the basics already and wants to get into some more advanced playing. My ideal student is comfortable with chord changes, knows the basics of right-hand fingerstyle technique, and is comfortable reading tabs. This course picks up exactly where my beginner course ends, so if you took that, you're a perfect candidate already. If not, if you can change chords with a pick and read tabs, and are looking into fingerstyle for the first time, you might want to start with my beginner course. You'll make it through it quickly, but fingerstyle is a different beast, and your right hand playing will take you a while to get used to if you've always played with a pick. If you're new to fingerstyle, but already comfortable with techniques like hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides, you should be fine to start with this course, and we'll pick up the right hand technique quickly. Thanks for taking the time to view my course. This course is backed by Udemy's 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So if you don't absolutely love the course, you can get a full refund. Click the Buy Now button when you're ready to start playing, and I'll see you on the inside. If you're not quite ready yet, check out the next preview video where I'll get you started for free.